Hi guys, welcome back. Lesson how to hide recently closed Safari tabs on your Mac. If you share your Mac or simply value your browsing privacy, you may not want Safari displaying your recently closed tabs. Safari automatically keeps a history of the pages you closed, making it pretty easy to revisit them, but also easy for others to view your activity. The good news is that macOS offers a pretty neat way to hide the recently closed Safari tabs. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first up, you have to launch Safari on your Mac, and then you have to head over to the Start page. Next up, you have to hit the Edit button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you have to uncheck the box for recently closed tabs, and then you have to hit the empty space outside of the menu, and you're all set. Now, all the recently closed tabs will instantly disappear from the Start page and will no longer appear here. And that's all it takes to hide your recently closed tabs in Safari on your macOS device. With just a few simple steps, you can prevent others from viewing your past activity and maintain full control over your browsing privacy. Now that you have unlocked this privacy-centric feature, make the most of it to safeguard your browsing, and I'll catch you up in the next one.